name's Madison and welcome back to my channel. This is something I've never done before, but we're gonna go have some fun today. Or not, no fun at all. I am headed back home later and I really need to clean my car. I have a few hours when I get home and I think like it might be the perfect kind of thing to do while I like have a hose really convenient and close by, if that makes sense, and like a vacuum easily accessible. Like I can't plug in a vacuum when I live on like the top floor of my apartment complex next to my car. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go home and clean my car. I have had my car for almost a year now, which boggles my mind. I love my car so much. If y'all want any like more car related videos, let me know, because I definitely got into those when I was getting my car. But I'm gonna go clean it. She's kind of dirty. She kind of not stinks, but I'm a horse girl. I have horses. I go to the barn like multiple times a week, so inevitably it's like maybe not always gonna smell the best. So I really want to just take some time to clean everything out, hose things down, just go through it. So exciting, let's go. We've got some cleaning spray, some paper towels, and a trash bag here to kind of take everything out, throw it away, get everything cleaned up. The car's looking a little bit dirty, but I'm kind of scared to get a car wash because my windshield is really cracked, and I got one last week and it made the crack worse. So we'll see how this goes.